Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Gumroad store. First, visit Gumroad. Come and click Start Selling or Sign Up to begin. You can register using your email or connect a social media account. After signing up, check your email for a verification link and click it to activate your account. Once verified, you'll be directed to your new Gumroad dashboard, ready to explore its features and begin building your online presence. Now that your account is set up, let's add your first product. From your dashboard, locate and click on the Products tab, then select New Product. Gumroad offers various product types, including digital downloads, physical goods, memberships, or courses, so choose the one that fits your offering. Next, give your product a clear and descriptive name and set its price. You can always adjust this later if needed. With your product created, it's time to add the details that make it shine. Upload high-quality product files, like your ebook or digital art, and engaging images or videos to showcase what you're selling. Craft a compelling product description that highlights its benefits and value to potential customers. You can also customize your store's overall appearance, including your profile picture and bio, to create a professional and inviting storefront. Before going live, take a moment to review all your product details, from pricing to descriptions, ensuring everything is accurate and appealing. Once you're satisfied, hit the Publish button to make your product available to the world. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers, along with other great deals. After publishing, consider promoting your store on social media or your website to drive traffic and start making sales. Congratulations! Your Gumroad store is now open for business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.